If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Google Meet, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials. Make sure to use the account associated with your Google Meet. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, click on the Security tab located in the left-hand menu. This section contains all the security features related to your account. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Here, you will see an option for two-step verification. Click on it to access your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. To reset, you may need to disable the current two-factor authentication method. Click on Turn Off and follow the prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling, you can set up two-factor authentication again. Click on Get Started and follow the instructions to choose your preferred method, such as text messages or an authentication app. Once you have completed these steps, your two-factor authentication will be reset, and you can continue using Google Meet securely.